What if I told you these ideas aren't just about starting a business? They're about launching a journey, sculpting a future, and turning aspirations into achievements. Stick around, we're about to explore business ideas that could redefine your entrepreneurial journey. Let's dive in and sculpt your success story together. First on our list is home renovation services. With more people investing in their homes, offering renovation or remodeling services can be a low-risk venture. Start small, build a solid reputation, and gradually expand your services. The key is to focus on providing quality craftsmanship and personalized service. Homeowners appreciate attention to detail, reliability, and a collaborative approach to bringing their visions to life. Next up is e-commerce reselling. Leverage platforms like Shopify or Amazon to sell trending products without the hassle of inventory management. This model allows you to test markets with minimal investment and adapt quickly to consumer preferences. As a reseller, your focus should be on identifying products with high demand and establishing reliable suppliers. Freelance writing comes in at number 3. If you have a way with words, offering writing services online is a low-cost business to start. With businesses and bloggers constantly in need of quality content, your skills can be in high demand. To succeed as a freelance writer, specialize in a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Building a strong online portfolio showcasing your writing style and versatility is key. Consider diving into online tutoring as the fourth option. The demand for virtual education has skyrocketed, creating opportunities for tutors in various subjects. You can offer personalized lessons, cater to niche markets, and build a steady income stream. To thrive in online tutoring, identify your expertise and target audience. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com can connect you with students seeking assistance. Fifth on our list is diving into digital product creation. In a world increasingly reliant on digital solutions, creating and selling digital products can be a low-risk yet highly rewarding venture. Consider developing e-books, online courses, or downloadable resources in areas you're passionate about. With minimal overhead costs and the ability to reach a global audience, digital product creation allows you to turn your expertise into a scalable business. Moving on to number 6, mobile app development. With the app market continually expanding, developing niche-focused mobile apps can be a profitable venture. Start small, cater to specific needs, and gradually expand your portfolio. The beauty of this low-risk business lies in the ability to provide solutions to a target audience. Seventh on our list is delving into niche consulting services. Identify a specific industry or skill you excel in and offer specialized consulting services. This could range from social media strategy consulting to sustainability practices for businesses. By focusing on a niche, you position yourself as an expert, and the demand for tailored expertise often translates into a steady client base. Consider venturing into virtual assistant services at number 8. As businesses and entrepreneurs manage their operations remotely, the demand for virtual assistants is on the rise. Offering services such as email management, scheduling, and administrative support can be a low-risk entry into the world of virtual assistants. You can start by providing assistance in a specific niche or industry, gradually expanding your services based on client needs. For our 9th idea, explore the world of sustainable products retail. Consumers are increasingly eco-conscious, creating a market for businesses that offer environmentally friendly products. Start by curating a selection of sustainable products, whether it's eco-friendly home goods, clothing, or accessories. The low-risk nature of this business allows you to test the waters, gauging consumer interest in your curated offerings. Last but not least, we have digital marketing agency. With businesses constantly seeking an online presence, offering services like social media management, content creation, and SEO can be a lucrative venture. To thrive in this space, focus on building a diverse skill set and staying updated on the latest trends. Remember, success often starts with taking that first step. Thank you for joining us today. Wishing you success in your entrepreneurial journey. See you in our next video.